In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Soundraw Fade. If you've ever wanted your track to ease in smoothly instead of hitting full volume right from the first beat, this walkthrough is for you. We'll create a clean, professional fade in by quietly introducing the opening segment and keeping just a few instruments active at the start, so your music builds naturally and grabs attention without overwhelming the listener. First, log into your Soundraw account. Use your usual sign-in method and make sure you're on a stable connection so changes save reliably. Once you're in, you're ready to work with your music. Next, open the music you want to generate. You can pull up a piece you've already been working on, or choose the style and vibe you're aiming for and let Soundraw propose a track. The key is to have your song on the timeline so you can shape how it begins. Think about the mood you're going for: cinematic and gradual, calm and atmospheric, or just a subtle ramp up to a fuller groove. That intention will guide the choices you make in the first few seconds. Now toggle on the mixer. Look for the mixer control in the interface. When it's on, you'll see tracks or instrument lanes and segment level options. The mixer is where you control which instruments are active and how loud each section feels, which is exactly what we need to craft a gentle start. With the mixer visible, select the first segment of the song. This is the very first block on the timeline at the far left, representing the opening moments of your track. Clicking it will highlight the segment and reveal its specific controls. Set this first segment to be quiet, and enable only a few instruments at the beginning. Lower the segment's volume so it sits softly in the background. Aim for a level that feels present but not dominant. Then keep just a couple of instruments active, perhaps a pad, a soft piano, or a light texture, and disable the rest for this opening segment. Holding back the drums, bass, or lead at the start creates space and the perception of a fade in, even before the full arrangement arrives. The goal is progression, quiet and minimal at the first segment with the promise of more energy to come as the track continues. That's it. By logging in, opening your music, turning on the mixer, selecting the first segment, and keeping it quiet with only a few instruments, you've built a smooth, polished fade-in that sets the perfect tone for your track.